boys and girls, it's game time! Today, the LOL dolls are facing off in the jumping jack game. We have the retro club and we have the glitter club, and whoever wins in this jumping jack game day tournament gets a surprise LOL pet. Oh, how cute! Hey boys and girls, it's me, Gogo Girl, and me, 80s baby, and we are the Retro Club. So I totally want you guys to be on our team, so if you are, comment below and hopefully we will get the surprise pet. Woo! I don't think so, boys and girls. You guys should be for our team, aka the Glitter Club, which is me, Queen Bee, and me, Super Baby. You should totally comment below and let us know if you're for our team, which you totally should be, because I think we're going to win the surprise pet. Woohoo! Yeah, whatever. Well, I totally think that the Retro Club is gonna win, but before we do any of that, it's shoutout time! Alright, boys and girls, this shoutout goes to Jerry Wilson, who says, my birthday is on September the 3rd. OMG, that was just like a few weeks ago. Happy late birthday. I hope it was the best day ever and you got a whole bunch of toys. Oh, that's so awesome. Shout out to Jerry. Also, remember, boys and girls, when you comment, you have a chance to get the shout out in the next video, so make sure to comment below and especially comment if you're for the glitter team. All right, boys and girls, it is almost time to get this jumping jack tournament started. And remember, we have high stakes because whoever wins gets a brand new club pet. So to start, we are going to have 80s baby and Queen Bee face off, and the winner gets to go on to the final round against whoever wins with Gogo Girl and Super Baby. Oh girl, it's on. Yeah, well, too bad you're gonna lose. Oh yeah, too bad you're gonna lose. We'll see. All right, boys and girls, so how we play is, don't interrupt me, is that we take turns pulling out the carrot, and whoever pulls out the carrot that makes this little bunny jump is the loser. And that means whoever doesn't do that is the winner, which will be me. No, me. All right, I'll go first. Oh man, I'm kind of nervous now. So far, so good. Your turn, 80s baby. Yeah, whatever. All right, I will pull out this one. See, still no hopping bunny. He doesn't even notice that the carrots are missing. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'll choke. Let's see. I'm gonna move from the back and sneak up on him, right? Ah! Oh, I thought that was gonna make him jump. But so far, so good. Your turn, 80s baby. Sure, okay. Okay, I'm gonna take one from the front here. Ooh. Ah! Okay, still good. I'm getting nervous now. Yeah, me too. I mean, nothing. I'm totally confident. I'm gonna take from this side. Ready? Ah! Oh no! Hey, why are you stealing my carrots? I'm sorry, it was for a game. Yeah, don't steal my carrots anymore. Not cool, you lose. Oh man. Well, congratulations, 80s baby. It looks like you won the first round. I did? Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I sure hope that Gogo Girl wins the next round, because if she does, that means that our club gets the surprise pet. But if she doesn't, we'll have to move on to a third round. Ooh, there's still hope. Yeah, but not much. All right, let's see how this next game goes. Woo! Oh man, this is really nerve-wracking. Queen Bee lost the first round, so that means if I lose this round, then it definitely goes to the Retro Club. But if I win, we'll go on to a third round. Ooh, yeah, well, I don't think that'll happen, because I'm really good at this game. Well, we'll just have to see. You ready? Oh, I was born ready. Yeah, whatever. I'll go first. I'll take a carrot from here. Oh, haha, so far so good. Okay, well, I'll go and... Very good. Still in the lead. I wouldn't say you're in the lead, but whatever. I'll take one from the back. Ha! Still good. Okay, My turn. I will take from the front. Right here. Ah! Ha-ha! Still okay. Oh man, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carrots. That means this is number 5. Ah! Wow, this bunny is really staying. Thank goodness. Alright, my turn. Let's see. I'll pull from the back. Nope, still good. Alright, my turn. Okay, I'll take from here. Ah! Oh no! What did I tell you about stealing my carrots? I'm sorry. It was for a game. I promise I wasn't just trying to eat your carrots. Yeah, whatever. Don't let it happen again. You lose. Oh, I'm sorry, Queen Bee, I let you down. It looks like the Glitter Club isn't getting a new pet today. Oh, that's okay. There's always tomorrow. Well, maybe next time. Yeah, you're right. And besides, they won fair and square. Yeah, and maybe they'll let us visit and play with their pet. Oh, I hope so. You know what this means, right, Gogo Girl? What? Remind me. That the Retro Club wins! Woohoo! We get a new pet. We get a new pet. Let's open it.
All right, boys and girls, this is so exciting because it looks like the Retro Club won and they get a brand new pet. Now this is super cool because it is from the I Spy series, so there are little mysteries all over and we will need a special magic magnifying glass to see what it says. All right, let's get this first layer open. All right, so I'm just gonna peel this back. Uh-oh, we got it all around. That's okay. Oh man, it looks like we have our first little clue here. Let's see what it says. Oh, wait a minute, that's right. We can't read it quite yet because we don't have our magic magnifying glass, but it's gonna be so cool when we do because it's an invisible ink and only our I Spy magnifying glass can see what it says. Ooh. All right, we're on to the next layer. Oh my goodness, look at all of these cute little pets. Comment below, boys and girls, of which pet you would like to see us open. I don't know. I love cats and I love dogs and birds and I don't even know. I think I'd be happy with any of them. Let's get this next layer open. All right, we've got this next layer open and look at all these adorable little critters. Oh my goodness. And they're all saying something, but I don't know what they're saying because we still haven't opened that super, super cool magnifying glass. But I bet we're getting really close. So, all right, let's get this next layer open. Taken out. Ooh, and we've reached all the way to the bottom of the mystery surprise bowl. Okay, let's get it open, boys and girls. Oh man, okay, so I can already see that it is overflowing with surprises. So first of all, we have this little platform with paw prints. They're so cute. And aha! Finally, we have our magnifying glass. You know what this means? We get to finally see what this code says. No way, look at this. Now you see it? No, you don't. That's crazy. All right, so we have the sun, it looks like, and some sparkles, some shinies, some shine. That's it, sunshine. I think that's right. All right, oh, I think so. Let's double check. And it is sunshine, we got it! All right, let's keep going. Next up, we have our owner's manual, which will come in handy once we find out who we have. And we also have a very special key with a list of all of the pets it could be. Oh my goodness, there are so many super cute ones. Boys and girls, comment below of which one you think it is. I hope we get a super rare one, but honestly, they're all so cute. I would be fine with literally any of them. All right, let's get this next part open. Oh, wait a second. LOL, surprise. That is crazy. All right, I'm gonna cut this guy open and, ooh, it's sparkly. Ooh, I wonder if this means we get a sparkly one. I hope so. This is super, super cute. All right, we got the next little prize. Let's cut this guy open. I still don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what? Who is this little guy? So cute. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting this.
Hello, my name is Sugar Sneak, and I am ultra rare. Congratulations. Thank you for getting me out of there.
No way, boys and girls. expecting that in that little bag. I was expecting an accessory because he's just so small and cute. Hello, Sugar Sneak, an ultra rare. This is awesome. Oh my goodness, you guys, I feel like I've already won the best prize ever, but there are still more prizes in here. I'm going insane. All right, let's see. We've got this next bag. We'll open that. All right, we have a next surprise to open, which is crazy because I feel like we've already won the best surprise ever. Now, what is in here? Ooh, some little glasses. How cute. Now, what in the world? These look too big for Sugar Sneak. Does that mean we have another pet in here? Oh my goodness, let's find out. We have another one. Let's open it up. You guys, I can't believe we might get 2 pets. No way, it's another one, which means we are getting 2 pets. This is crazy. This is so unexpected. Okay, let's see, what's this? What's this? Oh, it feels like, wait a second. What? How many bags are in here? You guys, this is the best surprise ever. Let's start with the little ones first so we can build suspense. And we have, no way! What? What? Do you see this? This is crazy.
What's up, everyone? I'm Sugar Squeak. Sorry. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And guess what? Congratulations, because I'm also ultra rare. Woohoo! Wait, your name is Sugar Squeak? Yeah, and your name is Sugar Sneak. We rhyme. Oh, we must be sisters. Oh, look, Gogo Girl. There's one for each of us. This is the best prize ever. 2 ultra rares, unheard of. Whoa! Did you guys see that? We got 2 ultra rares in 1 LOL surprise bowl, and we're still going. What is this? This is crazy. And then we've got one here too. I just can't believe this. All right, let's open this guy up. Now, what could be in here? Wait a minute, is there another pet? No way. No way, look at this little owl. Oh my goodness, so pretty, black and blue. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. What's up, everyone? It's me, Dusk Raven. And I am also ultra rare. Isn't that insane? Wow, I'm so excited. What in the world? 3 ultra rares in 1 LOL surprise bowl? Did you just faint? I mean, I'm pretty shocked too. I mean, what are the odds? This is awesome! Welcome to the fam, girl. Oh, hi guys. Oh, little mice. Hello. Oh, I'm ultra rare too. Do you want to be best friends? You betcha. Yeah, same, girl.
You guys, this has been the craziest surprise ball opening of my life. 3 ultra rares, I can't even believe it. And look how cute they are. But believe it or not, there is still one more surprise. I can't believe this. This is nutty. All right, let's see what it is. Best prize ever. It is, oh my goodness, this is so cute. It kind of reminds me of Halloween. It says R.I.P. and there's a little skull on it and it is just adorable. I bet that this is for our little owl friend, Dusk Raven. How cute, or Raven, my bad. They're so cute.
I can't believe we got 3 pets. This is the greatest day of my life. Yeah, me too. This is so cool. And you guys are adorable. Oh, and perfect for Halloween, am I right? So cute. Whoa. Well, it looks like we have a lot of playing to do, boys and girls, because we have all these new pets. Oh, yeah. Thanks, everyone, for watching, and thanks for cheering us on if you did and watching us open our brand new pets. Oh, all right. We better go play. Come on, girls. By the way, since you got more than 1 surprise pet, do you mind if we come over and play with him? Yeah, please, 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 please. Are you kidding? Oh, it wouldn't be fun without you girls. Thanks again for playing with us. Yay!
Thank you so much, boys and girls, for watching our super awesome jumping jack game tournament with the LOL dolls. I did not expect to have such luck with our surprise pet, or should I say pets, because we got 3. They are so cute. Thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more game videos like it, make sure to comment below, and remember, when you comment, you have a chance to get the next shout out. Make sure to also like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!